Hey guys, in this tutorial you will learn 3 ways of sidechaining that work in every genre and in every DAW. First up, we have sidechaining using plugins like Grossbeat or Kickstart. I went ahead and made this short little tech house loop to test that sidechain method on. So as you can hear, you have the problem that the kick and the bass are quite literally interfering because they are playing at the same time. And to fix that, we will just first up add Kickstart, which is pretty much the simplest way. You just pull it up, start it, and it does the complete job for you already. Sounds pretty good to me. If you want to get more advanced with this, you can change the curve, use different curves, depending on your situation, but I think for this situation this curve is perfect. So if you don't have Kickstart but you have FL Studio, you can also use Grossbeat, which is this plugin. If you pull it up, you can go to presets and then to momentary, and you can then pull up sidechain down here, and this will also work in the same way as Kickstart does. Sounds also pretty good. But I think Kickstart is just a little bit faster, which is why I prefer to use that. So what do you do if your kick drum is not on the 4 on the floor? In this case, I use a drum and bass loop as an example. And one way to fix it then is just to use automation clips. So I have this drum and bass loop. As you can hear, the kick and the bass are interfering quite a lot. And to fix it, you just have to pull up your bass channels, like so, and then search for a kick, create a loop around it, and create an automation clip for your sub channel, and for example your bass channel or lead channel, whatever you may have. So this is my sub bass channel. I will just pull it down like so, and sort of shape it around the kick. I think this could work. I'll do the same for my top bass, but I won't make it as quiet. I think this should work. Okay, let's test it. Okay, this is perfect. And now you just placed this automation clip everywhere where you have your kick drum playing. Now I went ahead and placed the automation clips on every kick drum, and that way it will work perfectly, I hope. So as you can see, that works perfectly. Let's move on to the last and most advanced way. I have this Techno loop which has a double kick over here, and I want to sidechain it to this rolling bass. So what I will do is I will route the kick drum to the bass. This is how it sounds without any sidechaining, and to fix that you will just take the kick drum's channel and route it to your bass. And then you can either use any compressor or a plugin like Kickstart. The newest version of Kickstart has this feature where you can go over here, select your sidechain input, and normally it's on this mode, and you can then switch it to audio, and now it will detect incoming audio and start this curve on every drum hit. As you can see, this works quite perfectly, and you can even shape your sidechain around your kick. If you don't have Kickstart, you can also do it with just your stock FL limiter by just going in here and using this sidechain button. As you can see now, it's not doing anything, but when I lower this threshold, you can see that it starts to sidechain the bassline. And you can edit how it's doing that by using attack, release, and the knee and ratio button. Ratio will basically control how strong your sidechain is. And attack and release control how fast the sidechain will be activated and how long it takes for the signal to get up to its normal volume without sidechaining. Yeah, I think this sounds pretty good already, so you've reached the end of this video. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to download this FLP, I will put it in the description so that you can use it to better understand how I did all of this and to see how it's all set up. Bye and have a great rest of your day.